Today I'm going to show you how you are going to connect your Facebook business page to your personal page. The reason why you may want to do this is so that it's easy for people, clients, to find and connect your personal page to your business page. For example, this is a Facebook group called Savvy Business Owners. I visit this group page a lot. I interact with potential clients and leads. And so when I comment, I would like it easy for them to find my business page. So if you hover over my name, you'll see that you can see I'm an owner of Cheeto Samantha, which is my name of my business. Here, this other person, you can see she's attached to her business as well, which is her first and last name. You want it to be super easy for people to be able to find your business page and hire you. Now, the way you're going to do that is to go into your personal page, and on the left column, this is where you can add additional details to your business page. Now, you see here I have a little bit of intro about my business, because since my personal page is private, people will only be able to see details in the left column. So here I've made it super easy for them to know a little bit about me and my business, and I've added a website, where I've worked, where I've worked in the past, where I live, and as well as making it easy for them to follow me on Instagram or go directly to my business page. Now, this is exactly what you would like your personal page to do, is to make sure it connects your business to your personal page. Now, you'll do this by just going into the pencil icon on the left and just adding a workplace. So if you are a consultant or a coach, you would want just to add your business page here, and you would click by Add Workplace. And by simply going in and adding where you work. Now, this can be connecting to your company page. So make sure you have your business page set up. You're going to find it here. Put in the name. You could be a consultant, a founder, an owner, CEO, and you can put in a little description of your services and when you started. Here is how it's going to look like. This is currently my little synopsis about my business. So once you click there, that's all you need to do to add your business page to your personal page. Links to your social media and your website to your personal page, you're going to again click on this icon here. If you have not added one yet, you will find this setting under where you can add other links such as your website links and your social media information.